Hey everybody, welcome back. We're taking a deep dive into this whole private label funnels thing today.
Oh, yeah.
It's supposed to make launching a business online super easy.
Right.
Like a piece of cake, they say.
Yeah.
Sounds almost too good to be true.
Well, it's a pretty catchy idea.
Yeah.
It's all about leveraging these systems that are already pre-built.
Okay, so like for someone like me,
Yeah.
I'm not like a tech person. What does that actually mean? Like break it down.
So think of it like a blueprint
Okay.
for success. Instead of starting from scratch, like you don't have to build the entire business yourself, you're getting this ready-made framework that you can adapt for your products or services.
So it's kind of like those meal kits.
Exactly.
But for like your business,
Yes.
you get all the ingredients and you just got to put it together.
Yeah, like all the ingredients are prepped, you just got to cook.
Okay, got it.
And in this case, the ingredients are like the sales pages and email sequences.
Oh, wow.
Even pre-written ads designed to guide potential customers
Interesting.
towards a purchase.
Okay.
Makes it really appealing for someone who's maybe new to online business.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. This one claims they have 52 different funnels.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
52 blueprints.
What would all those cover?
Oh, so many things. It's
Yeah.
like a marketing buffet, right? You
It's
got all
so-
these templates and strategies you can mix and match depending on what you need.
Okay.
So you might have one funnel for launching a new product,
Okay.
another one for like a flash sale,
Oh.
another one for building out a membership program.
Wow. So it really is like a whole marketing department in a box.
It is.
But there's this one claim that I saw, and I was like, really?
Yeah.
It says, just change your payment link and keep 100% of the profits.
Oh, yeah.
Come on now. Is it really that simple?
Well, I mean, it's definitely a very simplified explanation.
Okay.
While it's true that a pre-built system can save you so much time
Yeah.
and effort, there's still some other things you got to consider.
Yeah. Like what?
Like you need people to see your funnel.
Okay.
Driving traffic to your funnel is essential. So that involves some costs,
Okay.
advertising or marketing strategies.
So like you can have the best funnel in the world,
Right.
but if no one's there,
It's not going to do anything.
it's not going to do anything.
Yeah.
There's some nuance there.
There is.
This mentions Russell Brunson,
Yeah.
the CEO of ClickFunnels.
Yep. ClickFunnels is a very popular platform for building websites and funnels.
And they're offering a free masterclass.
Classic marketing tactic, but I love free stuff.
Who doesn't love free stuff?
I know! They're trying to get people in.
Of course.
Yeah.
In this masterclass, they paint this picture
Yeah.
of someone who's just lost,
Mm-hmm.
overwhelmed,
Right.
trying to start a business online.
I think we've all been there.
Oh, yeah.
That feeling of being lost.
Totally.
But they contrast it with this after picture, right?
Yeah.
You've got this smooth running business,
Uh-huh.
money's coming in, predictable income.
Oh, nice.
You feel confident attracting customers.
It does sound pretty good.
It does.
I did notice
Uh-oh.
there's a disclaimer at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
You know that fine print
The legal disclaimer, yeah.
everyone skips over?
Important to pay attention to.
What does it actually say?
So it boils down to a few key points.
Okay.
ClickFunnels, they're providing the tools,
Uh.
the framework, but they're not guaranteeing
Right.
financial success, right?
It's like they're giving you a fancy oven.
Exactly.
Doesn't mean you're going to be a chef.
Doesn't mean you can cook.
Exactly.
Right.
What else?
But also say that those testimonials,
Mhm.
they're real.
Okay.
Those people might have been incentivized to share their experiences.
Oh, like those Amazon reviews?
Yeah, you got to take those with a grain of salt.
That makes sense.
Another important point.
Yeah.
Results can vary.
Okay.
Depending on your effort, your business model,
Uh-huh.
things that are outside of your control.
Life happens. It also, what's with this tiny dot CC/52PLR?
I know, right?
Like a secret code.
It is.
But it is a good reminder that we got to do our own research
Yeah,
before making any decisions,
always a good idea.
especially with your money.
So what are your thoughts? Is this worth exploring?
I think it definitely has potential,
Okay.
but you got to approach it with caution and excitement.
So what should I be looking out for?
That is a great question. And it leads us right into part 2 of our deep dive.
Oh, stay tuned then, everybody.
Yeah. If you're thinking about getting into these private label funnels,
Yeah.
first, you really got to look at your business goals.
Okay, so like measure twice, cut once.
Exactly. Like you don't want to start building a house without a blueprint,
That
right?
makes sense.
You shouldn't launch a business online without understanding what you want.
Yeah, no jumping into the deep end without checking how cold the water is first.
Exactly. Ask yourself, like, what do you want to do with your business?
Yeah.
You trying to get leads, boost sales, build a community. Yeah, are these funnels actually going to help with that?
Right, or are you just excited about this new shiny system?
Ooh, shiny object syndrome.
Yeah. You can't just chase every trend.
Right. It's like buying a sports car when you need a minivan for your family.
Exactly. Once you've figured out those goals,
Yeah.
you got to think about your resources,
Time, money.
all that stuff. These funnels, they're supposed to be done for you,
Okay.
but there's still work involved.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You got to make them fit your brand,
Okay.
drive traffic to them, manage customers.
So it's not passive income.
No, it's not like you plant a money tree and then just watch it grow.
Dang it.
So be honest, do you have the time to make this work?
Yeah.
Do you have the money for the funnels themselves, but also ads, ClickFunnels, subscriptions?
Yeah, all those hidden costs.
It's like going to a buffet and then getting hit with a service charge.
Oh, yeah. I hate when that happens.
So speaking of ClickFunnels, you got to do some research on that platform.
Oh, so don't just take their word for it.
Right, they have a free trial.
Okay.
Play around, get a feel for it.
So like test driving a car.
Exactly. See if it works with your other tools. Is their customer service good?
That's a good point.
And you can always ask other people.
Oh, you mean like other entrepreneurs?
Yeah, see what worked for them, what didn't.
Get the real scoop.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You might find out stuff you wouldn't see anywhere else.
That's a good idea.
So to recap,
Yeah.
you're thinking about this offer, that's great. Be curious,
Okay.
but be informed.
So don't get too excited.
Right. Do your research, ask questions,
Okay.
and trust your gut.
Got it.
The best choices come from using both your head and your heart.
Well said.
So we've looked at the claims, the disclaimer, and even some advice.
Yeah, this has been a good deep dive.
It has, but before we finish, I have a question for our listeners.
Oh, what's that?
If you were looking at this offer, what's the first thing you'd do to make a good decision?
That's a great question for everyone out there thinking about this. Okay, so we've talked all about private label funnels.
We have.
It seems like they can be a really good tool.
Yeah, especially if you want to, streamline your marketing and sales.
Right. But as with anything,
Oh, yeah.
you got to be a little skeptical.
Absolutely. There's no such thing as getting rich quick.
No magic wand, no shortcuts.
You got to put in the work,
Right. You got to be dedicated.
and you always got to be learning.
It's like, what's that saying? You eat an elephant one bite at a time.
Huh. Love that one.
But even though there's no shortcuts,
Yeah,
there are tools to make it easier.
definitely. And that's where these funnels can help.
Right, because they can give you that framework
That proven system.
to get more customers,
Bring in those leads.
boost those sales.
It's like a GPS for your business.
But even with a GPS, you got to know where you're going.
You do.
So we got to go back to those goals.
Right. Got to be clear on that vision.
What are you passionate about?
What problems are you solving?
What makes your business stand out?
Once you know that,
Yeah.
then you can see if these funnels are a good fit.
And if you want to learn more,
Yeah.
they have that free masterclass.
They do.
It explains everything really well.
They break it all down, show you how it works for different businesses.
They have some pretty inspiring stories too,
Oh, yeah. You hear about real people.
getting real results.
It's always motivating.
And it's free.
Can't beat that.
You can find it at
Here we go.
TINYDOT
Shiny. Dot
SEECEE
C C
/52PLR.
You know they're going to love that you spelled that out.
That's it for our deep dive on private label funnels.
Hope you enjoyed it
We tried to give you all the info.
and help you make good decisions.
So whether you try these funnels or not,
Yeah.
keep learning, keep trying new things.
And chase those dreams.
Online business is always changing,
It is
so the more you know.
the better.
Until next time.
Happy exploring.